Did you know a Lexus can last over 600,000 miles without major repairs? It sounds unbelievable, but with the right maintenance strategy, it's actually possible. The secret isn't luck, it's proactive care, smart habits, and paying attention to the parts that matter most. In today's video, we'll reveal how you can keep your Lexus running smoothly for decades, avoid costly breakdowns, and protect one of the most important factors for long-term reliability: battery health. If you want your Lexus to last longer than you ever imagined, this video is for you. Number 1. Engine and oil. To keep your car running smoothly and lasting longer, it's important to change the engine oil and oil filter regularly every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Always use high-quality synthetic oil along with original OEM filters to ensure the engine gets proper lubrication and protection. Waiting until 10,000 miles between oil changes may seem convenient, but it can increase engine wear over time, so sticking to shorter intervals helps maintain performance and prevents costly repairs in the future. Number 2. Transmission and drivetrain. To keep your vehicle's drivetrain working reliably for the long term, it's essential to replace the transmission fluid regularly using genuine Toyota WS fluid, as it is specifically designed to provide the correct lubrication, cooling, and smooth shifting performance for Toyota transmissions. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down due to heat and friction, which can lead to rough gear changes, overheating, and eventually costly transmission failure if ignored. For all-wheel drive models, the differential fluid should also be changed because it protects the gears that distribute power to the wheels, reducing wear and preventing damage under heavy use. Following a maintenance interval of every 30,000 to 50,000 miles helps ensure a smoother performance, extends the lifespan of critical components, and significantly lowers the risk of expensive repairs in the future. Number 3. Cooling system. To keep your engine operating at the proper temperature and avoid serious damage, it's important to change the coolant, inspect or replace hoses, and check the condition of the water pump starting at 100,000 miles. And then repeat this maintenance every 50,000 miles thereafter. Over time, coolant loses its ability to protect the engine from heat and corrosion, while rubber hoses can become brittle, crack, or develop leaks, which can lead to sudden coolant loss. The water pump, which circulates coolant throughout the engine, can also wear out with age and mileage, and a faulty pump can cause overheating without much warning. By performing these inspections and replacements on schedule, you help maintain proper cooling system performance, prevent overheating, and reduce the risk of costly engine repairs, ensuring your vehicle remains reliable for many years to come. Number 4. Fluid and filters. To keep your vehicle performing efficiently and comfortably, it's important to replace both the engine air filter and the cabin air filter every 20,000 miles. The engine air filter ensures clean air flows into the engine, helping maintain proper combustion, better fuel efficiency, and smoother performance, while a dirty filter can reduce power and increase fuel consumption. At the same time, the cabin air filter keeps dust, pollen, and pollutants out of the interior, improving air quality for passengers and allowing the air conditioning system to work more effectively. In addition, flushing the brake fluid every 2 to 3 years is essential because brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture over time, which can reduce braking performance and cause internal corrosion within the braking system. Regularly replacing these components helps maintain safety, improves driving comfort, and prevents long-term damage to critical vehicle systems. Number 5. Preventive inspections. To keep your vehicle reliable and avoid expensive repairs, it's important to regularly check for oil leaks, inspect rubber suspension components, and pay close attention to any unusual noises while driving. Small oil leaks may seem minor at first, but they can gradually reduce lubrication and cause serious engine damage if left untreated. Rubber parts in the suspension system, such as bushings and mounts, naturally wear out over time due to heat, road conditions, and age, which can affect ride comfort, handling, and overall safety. In addition, unusual sounds like knocking, squeaking, grinding, or rattling often serve as early warning signs that something is starting to fail. By identifying and fixing these small issues early, you can prevent them from turning into major mechanical problems, extend the lifespan of your vehicle, and maintain a smoother and safer driving experience. And that's how you can make your Lexus last over 600,000 miles without major repairs. Remember, long-lasting reliability doesn't happen by chance. It comes from consistent maintenance, smart driving habits, and taking care of key components before problems appear. If you follow these simple steps, your Lexus can stay smooth, reliable, and dependable for many years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Lexus owners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.